Here we are at a sawmill with yet another Volvo Penta powered application, offering the Stage V project yet another set of challenges. One of these challenges caused by the sheer size of the machine, making it absolutely necessary for us to keep the installation footprint the same. Here you can see part of the after-treatment system. Let me show you how we made this fit into the machine. This is our two-box after-treatment system, specifically developed to support the customers with the most challenging installation with almost endless number of installation opportunities. Another improvement we made is to take the heat reaction down, opening up for new radiator installations. We've talked about the features that we've been challenged in Stage V to improve, but there's more, much more.